So Wick repainted our original. Holy hell, that looks good. That looks way better than...
Yeah, it looks good as new, really.
Yeah, I mean, I like it. And this one... Ooh.
It actually turn, or it actually moves, slides.
Yeah. What kind of fancy grease you got there? Oh, that's the good stuff.
A white lithium grease.
From the good place.
To goop that baby up.
Hey, you know what they say? If you love her, lube her.
That's right.
Otherwise, just hammer it in dry, right?
That's it.
We're horrible.
It's all right. They're used to it.
It's okay. It's like boys club.
Yeah, exactly.
Man. Fancy.
It doesn't get much better than that.
No, that's good. That ain't going anywhere.
And actually, you know, our rivets here are better than that other
one?
restored one, because these were kind of tits, and you fixed this last week.
Yeah, I banged it down enough to where it would be okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go slide that in. Way better. Oop, I fell. Nice. Proper. Pretty. That's pretty nice. I like it. Waiting on our latch to dry. And I got to put our release button in there. But glove box is in and nice. Our cables. Got our little trim. Got our little bumpers. Snazzy. I like it. Fancy. That was an NOS trunk button, right, Wick?
It was.
Fancy. I like it.
Wow, looks good.
Latch and done. Fancy.
I guess I need to bring out, I thought I brought over some Permatex